In today's video, we're going to look at how you can insert QR codes into Microsoft Excel. So first off, you need to go to the Insert ribbon, which is just up here. Then we need to go to Get Add-ins, and you're presented with a list of add-ins that are available to add to Excel here. And we're going to search for QR code. And we're going to select the add-in of QR for Office. So select Add, and then we just need to continue. And then you'll see we have this panel at the side, which is where we select our options for the QR code. So what I'm going to do is add a QR code in for Bing.com, which is actually the default example that's given to me there. And there's various different options of the background and color. I'm just going to leave the color as black, but I'll make it slightly bigger. And then I'm just going to select where I want the QR code to go, select Insert, and then there you have it. There's your QR code. So it's as simple as that. As you can see, all you have to do is just put this add-in in, and it's very quick and easy to use. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.